Today we're going to be unboxing the Torbox Neo, and I've never used this before. I did pay for this out of my own pocket, so this is not sponsored. I'm not being told to say anything, and in fact this isn't even going to be a review video. That'll probably come later after I get done using it in my workflow. Now, I personally purchased this so I can edit videos a little bit faster, but I think I'm also going to add this into my photography using ON1 as well as the Affinity Photos. So let's go ahead and get to opening the box. So here is a box coming off from the side. This did come in a much larger box, but I already removed it from that because I don't think that would have been interesting. So it comes shrink wrapped. I'm going to go ahead and open up my knife, and because there is no perforation for me to tear, and I'm just going to take my knife through the plastic here and pull this off. Here it is, and I'll just hold that up there. So there's the Torbox Neo, and I am going to open it like so. Nice and smooth. Alright. So you get your quick start user guide. I'm probably going to use the website to figure out how to use this, but that comes out of the box. And then, of course, move my knife over. We have some safety instructions. I don't know how many people are actually going to read safety instructions for something like this, but whatever. Now we're removing a little plastic piece and making all kinds of noise in the process. So there's two pouches in here. I'll hold this up like so, just so you can see. There's two pouches. There's one on this side, and then there's one right in this area. The two pouches are probably holding the device. So let's go ahead and pull this out. So we have a nice braided USB-C to USB-A cable here. It's probably not going to focus on that, but we do have a USB-C cable, and comes with a nice little pouch, maybe worthwhile of holding. So this is the actual device. It's actually not that heavy. I could see me traveling with this. I don't know if that was the intent behind this, but not a very big pouch, right? Compared to my hand, just giving you a size comparison roughly, compared to my hand, it's not too big. It's actually kind of small, and yeah, it feels really nice. There's a nice matte black finish on here. Nice buttons. You can hear me pushing on those, and a nice little mouse wheel. I heard, I watched some videos on this before I bought it, so I knew what I was buying, but it's got some really nice, oh yeah, the ergonomics to this are actually kind of nice. Now, mine isn't very flat. I'm missing one of the little rubber feet that make it even. So mine wobbles a little bit, and it wasn't in there, wasn't in the bag, wasn't in the box. So we will have to figure out what we're going to do about that, but truthfully, I don't think that's going to be a big issue because I have a huge mouse pad that this is just going to sit on top of, and I won't hear the constant clacking that you hear in the video. So, and there goes Mr. Waffles running up the stairs. I think this is going to be cool, so I look forward to being able to use this. Now, you probably are seeing this second box here, and the second box is a carrying case for the device. So when I open this up, just a nice little, get rid of the box, making all kinds of noise. Carrying case comes inside of a plastic little rubber thingy. Go ahead and pull that and throw that over there. because we don't need that. And yeah, I don't think there's much to really tell you about a carrying case, other than there's a pocket. Let's see if I can get that. There's a pocket where you can put the braided cable so when you travel it doesn't just dangle around. I already have a cable management system, if you will, for when I'm traveling, but being able to protect all of those tactile keys and whatnot is probably worthwhile. And when I'm not using this, if I'm at the house here in the office, I'll probably leave this inside the case just to keep some dust off of it. I don't know. But all in all, the TorBox is it seems like a pretty solid device. It's got some weight to it. And I'll let you know once I get done using it if it's even worthwhile of getting. If you want to watch me edit some photos, click the video on the left side of the screen. And if you want to watch what YouTube thinks is the best for you, click the one on the right side of the screen. Until next time, I want you guys to stay inspired and keep creating.